Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites and opening the right menu. First, make sure battery is above 20% and developer options remain available if you plan deeper tweaks. Once done, go to Settings, tap Display, then Navigation bar to begin. You're doing this because the navigation menu controls both layout and behavior. Changing it affects gestures and on-screen buttons. Now that you're in the navigation bar screen, note the current layout so you can compare changes and revert if needed. Now change the layout and fine-grain behavior. Tap your preferred navigation type, 3-button, full gestures, or virtual keys, because each alters screen space and interaction. Next, adjust options like back-sensitive area, swipe sensitivity, and haptic feedback so gestures feel consistent. Make sure to reorder buttons or assign long press actions for multitasking or assistant shortcuts. These settings explain how the system interprets your swipes and taps. Tweak one option at a time, test it, and proceed only when the interaction feels natural. Finish by validating your choices across apps and the home screen so nothing breaks mid-use. If the bar behaves oddly, reset navigation to defaults or clear system UI cache/data. That often restores stability. Once you've applied changes, reboot the device to ensure system services load with the new config. If behavior persists, boot into safe mode to check for interfering apps, and make sure any third-party launchers aren't overriding navigation settings. This step closes the loop and gives a single
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.